Yo guys, I'm Nick from tpschool and welcome back to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Future House remix in under 7 minutes. Let's go. First thing you need to do is search for an original mix you want to remix. I'm going with Rita Ora, Let You Love Me. Make sure you match it to the BPM you want. The next thing you should do is search up the chords on the internet or make them by ear. When you have your chords, you can start creating a melody. I came up with this melody, which is a very future housey hexagon style melody. The lead consists out of 2 layers. One is lead the sound from the hexagonia pack. The other one is lead the fundamental, which is also from the hexagonia pack. You can also do some cuts and boosts, but I recommend you to not do too much boost because it can really ruin your mix and you don't want that. Make sure the leads have sausage fat in it. And you can make your leads stereo if you want to. Maybe this is the most important thing. Don't forget about the reverb. Also make sure you sidechain the bus where all the leads are linked to. When you have your leads, just copy the bass notes of your chords and let the bass follow the rhythm of the leads. This bass consists out of 3 layers. First one is a bass in Silent from Vandalism. Then bass sequel from our hexagon pack. And a simple sub. Clean up the basses with an EQ and add some distortion, sausage fattener, and of course you need to sidechain the bass so it doesn't interrupt with your kick. For the second part of the drop, you need to add something that keeps the listener interested, and I'm going with some simple chords. On the chords, I just did some simple EQing, made it stereo, added some chorus for a really cool effect, and of course sidechained it and added some reverb. Also, don't forget about the atmospheric sounds to fill up your drop. For the drop drums, I just chose a simple kick with some claps and some percussions. Also, don't forget about the vocal effects in the drop, such as reversed vocals, pitched vocals, and vocals with, for example, a lot of reverb. This will really fill up your drop and make it more interesting for the listener. You can also add some automations to make things more interesting. For example, this little reverb automation on the leads. Or this cutoff automation. In the build-up you can create a lot of tension with, for example, uplifters, sweeps, snares and claps. can also introduce listeners to your leads in the build-up so they know what's coming. In the break, you can just keep it really simple by, for example, using an ARP. Add a little piano. A sub bass.
Wow!
And for example, some snaps and FX. I will now show you guys the final result.
I should've stayed with you last night instead of going out to find trouble. That's just trouble. I think I run away sometimes whenever I get too vulnerable. That's not your fault. I wanna stay the whole night. I wanna let you till the sun's up. I wanna let you inside. I have to know some trying. Wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me. Say what's the matter with me? What's the matter with me? Oh, I wish that I could let you love. Wish that I could let you love me.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're interested in making future houses like this and you haven't checked out our Hexagonia pack, you can do that in the link in our description. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.